Hi everyone, Kirsty here, and today I'm unboxing the Boruto Vibration Stars figure from the anime Boruto Naruto Next Generations. I got this from the From Japan proxy website. Check out the link in the description for more details. When you open the box, you'll see that you get 4 pieces. You get 2 parts to the stand and you get the lower and upper half of Boruto. Fully assembled is just under 9 inches tall. And let's get a 360 view. And let's get some close-ups. I love the face sculpt. I think it looks a lot like Boruto, and I also love the pose he's in with the Rasengan. I think he looks pretty cool. Then you've got the details from his t-shirt, his jacket, all the way down to his pants. Just look very good. I think this figure is definitely worth picking up because it is super reasonable as well, so I would definitely check it out. And that's the unboxing, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.